A is for apple, apple ten. A is for red apple, juicy and sweet. Is for balls, B is for big ball, bounce on your feet. C is for car, D is for shiny car, driving so far.
D is for dog, D is for friendly dog, wagging in the fog.
E is for egg, E is for rounded egg, resting in a nest. F is for fish, F is for little fish, swimming is the best.
G is for goat, or G is for silly goat, jumping on a boat.
H is for hat, H is for fancy hat. What do you think of that?
I is for ice, ice, girl. I is for cold ice, freezing feels nice. J is for jaw, J is for jam jar, tasty from afar. K is for kite, K is for bright kite, flying with delight. L is for lion, L is for lion, king of the den. M is for mango, N is for ripe mango, soft and yellow. N is for net, N is for net, the best catchy yet. O is for O is for wise, flying with the ground. P is for parrot, P is for talking parrot, bright like a carrot. Q is for queen, Q is for pretty queen, ruling like a dream. R is for rat, R is for sneaky rat, under the mat. S is for sun, S is for shining sun, fun for everyone. T is for tree, D is for tall tree, full of green leaves. U is for umbrella, U's for umbrella, red and yellow. V is for van, U's for moving van, big and tan low. V is for Val, watch your shoes for moving van, big and tall clock. X is for xylophone, xylophone. X is for xylophone, music in tone. Y is for yak, Y is for woolly yak, with a heavy pack. Z is for zebra, Dot is for zebra, stripy and fun.